Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back and let's start today with practice set 1.4. Okay, so let me quickly revise what we have done till now. We have completed practice set 1.1 in which we are solving simultaneous equation using substitution and elimination method. Practice set 1.2 was graphical method that we are going to take during the end of the lesson. And और क्या था practice set 1.3 Kramer's rule on which we have recorded 3 lectures and covered entire exercise. Now coming to a very important part of the topic, that is nothing but practice at 1.4, which we need to solve using the same methods which we have studied earlier. Only the thing is we have to uh, use a different way of approach towards the question. Okay, so अभी तक अपने को कैसा आदत था? Just let me write here 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Suppose this was the equation given to me. I used to compare it with standard form. I used to get variables का value, that is x and y का value हम लोग find करते थे using interchange coefficient, substitution, elimination, etc. etc. But when now I look at the question, x and y, that is the variables in the equation, are in the denominator. So in this case, what we are going to solve, in this case, what we are going to do, how we are going to solve this particular equation, that is all we need to study in this exercise. There are total 4 questions. If possible, I will record this exercise also in 2 parts. That first 2 question we'll do now and next 2 question we'll do later on. Again, there is some certain steps which are to be followed, which we will understand with the help of exercise. Okay. So if you look at this exercise in your textbook, to solve the equation using filling the blanks, मतलब you need to fill an answer, appropriate answer in the filling the in the boxes which are there. Okay, so I hope the equations are visible. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now here they are used, ये जो 1, ये तुम लोग देखोगे ध्यान से इसको, तो ये 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 है, isn't it? So this 1 upon x minus 1, they are resubstituting it as m. You are replacing it by m. Similarly, in this case, 1 upon y minus 2, it's substituted by n. So what is going to be my equation? So my equation will be phi m, the phi into m plus, pardon, plus n is equal to 2. Similarly, on the other side, they are given to me. Let's go down and check. Now there are new equations. They are telling me solve this particular equation and find the values of m and n. Now how we are going to solve the value, how we are going to solve this equation? Now if you look at the equations, they are normal equations. जैसे हमने practice set 1.1 and 1.1 में देखे थे, वैसे ही equations है, ठीक है? या Kramer's rule solve करते वक्त जैसे equations थे वैसे हम लोग ने देखे थे, isn't it? So now we are just going to solve it. Just check 6m minus 3n is equal to 1 and 5m plus n is equal to 2. How am I going to solve this particular equation? So I would suggest multiply equation 2 by 3. तो तुमको मिल जाएगा 15m plus 3n is equal to 6. Let this be your equation number 3. Let this be your equation number 1. So इधर तुमको मिल जाएगा subtract 1 and 3. तो तुमको मिलेगा 15m plus 3n is equal to 6 minus 6m minus 3n is equal to 1. Add करो rather than subtracting, add because coefficient are same, sign is different. तो तुमको क्या मिल जाएगा बच्चों? 21m is equal to 6 plus 1 7. So m is equal to 7 upon 21. That is equal to, yes, what is the answer? And next part, this I am leaving up to you. The next part for n. For n, what you are going to do? For n, you are going to substitute value of m, isn't it? So now I am leaving that part for you. Comment. You can let me know answer in the comment section. Okay, and that is up to you. So do solve and let me know. So m का value तो मैं लिख देता हूँ, चलो, rather than keeping up to you, let me solve. M का 1/3 आ रहा है, okay. And what is the value of n, guys? Come on, do let me know. What is the value of n? Afterwards, Okay, take your time, find it. Afterwards, what we are going to do is, we are not interested in value of m and n, right? We are interested in value of what? We are interested in value of x and y. So if you look carefully, if you substitute, you will get n ka value also as 1 by 3. Okay? So just substitute and check. I may be wrong. It's totally upon you whether you are solving or not. And इधर तो हम लोग resubstitute कर रहे हैं, तो 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. ठीक है? And this is what, then resubstitute it and you will get value of x and y, that is 4 and 5, 4 comma 5. This you need to solve. Once you solve, you are habituate to it. अगर तुम्हारा पहले का बेस वीक है, प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है, refer the video, ask your doubts and I will clear it. तो ही ये तुम 4 questions अच्छे से कर पाओगे. Definitely in exam you are going to find any one of this question for 3 to 4 marks. So this exercise is very, very important. Do not take it lightly. And yes, I am repeating again, don't directly try to solve this. First of all, situate whether your prerequisites are done or not. If you are not able to solve practice at 1.1, refer the video again. Do comment your doubts. Do comment where you are facing difficulties. We are going to clear that. Okay. Now, shall I switch to my blackboard and shall I start solving questions? Initially, you may find 1 or 2 questions difficult, but as and when we are going on with the flow, you will definitely find it easy. Okay. So, shall I go ahead? Okay, so I hope my blackboard is visible to you, and we are starting with practice set 1.4. Practice set 1.4. I'll switch off my video so that you have a complete screen view. Okay, I hope the screen is visible properly. So let's start with the question. You all know that we are doing practice set 1.4. So just let me erase that particular part and let me start with direct question. First question, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Okay. Also, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Isn't it? Now, let's go for solution. Solution will be what? 2 upon x. Let me just mark this equation as 1 and 2. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 5. Let this particular equation be my equation number 1. And now 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Let this be my equation number 2. Again, we are going to do assumption wala part. Let me bring equation in the standard form. So क्या आ जाएगा? Substitute this. ये क्या है? 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. ठीक है? ये क्या है? 8 into 1 upon x. Just a second. 8 into 1 upon x, isn't it? Plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. ऐसा ही है equation, isn't it? So now substitute 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. You can either take it as m or either take it as n. Never mind. Okay. Is this first part of the question clear? So now what will be my equation? Look carefully. 2a, that is 1 upon x is a, so 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Let this be my equation number 3. And 8a plus 5y is equal to 77. Let this be my equation number 4. Purposely I had zoomed out so that I can write that equation. Okay. Let us go ahead. अच्छा, इधर minus 3b है, इधर plus 5 है, इधर 2 है, इधर 8 है. So just think wisely. We can multiply equation 3 by 4, isn't it? So multiply equation 3 by 4 and we get 8a, 2 4s are 8a, minus 3 4s are 12b is equal to 15 4 60. Let this particular equation be my equation number 5, isn't it? समझा इधर तक? ये इक्वेशन 5 कैसे आया समझा तुमको? नाउ इक्वेशन 5 केयरफुली देखो. Look at this equation number 5 and look at my equation number 4. दोनों जगह 8a आ गया, 8a आ गया. So there are same coefficient and same sign. In this particular case, what do we perform, my dear students? We perform subtraction. So subtract equation 4 and 5. Will you try subtraction or should I perform it for you? Okay, I will do it for you. Don't worry. So क्या आ जाएगा? 8a इधर करता हूं मैं, ठीक है. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 और इधर आ जाएगा 8a minus 12b is equal to 60, isn't it? Sign change हो जाएगा since we are doing subtraction. Guys, do not forget this basic. 17b is equal to 17. Therefore मुझे क्या मिला? b is equal to 1. Now we are going to make use of this b. Substitute b is equal to 1 in equation 3. ठीक है. 2a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. समझा? समझ रहा है ना? या इट्स गोइंग बाउंसर? बाउंसर जा रहा है तो बोलो. Comment it. I will just try to explain you in a more better manner. Okay, 2a is equal to 15 plus 3 हो जाएगा, उधर जाएगा तो 2a is equal to 18. Therefore, a is equal to 18 upon 2 and a is equal to 9. Isn't it? Am I going correct? But I was interested in value of a and b. I was interested in value of x and y. So we are interested in value of x and y. So what is the next part of our question? ये देखो, ये अभी तक इतना ही किया हम लोग ने. We have not gone too far. The question is easy. Just have a look. Okay, shall I go down with the next part? Now, sir, since we are not interested in a and b, we are interested in x and y. So what we are supposed to do now? We are supposed to substitute, in fact, resubstitute. We are supposed to resubstitute the values of a and b. Why I need to resubstitute the value of a and b? So that I can get values of x and y. What did I assume value of a? I assumed it as 1 upon x. What did I assume the value of b? I assumed it as 1 upon y. What did I get value of 1 upon x? I got it as 9. What I get value of 1 upon y? I got it as 1. Solve it. X is equal to 1 upon 9. Y क्या आ जाएगा? Y is equal to 1 upon 1. Therefore, what are the values of x and y? Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1 is the solution. I hope I am very clear, students. You all can just refer. I'll just recap the entire question. What we did, we had given two equation. उसको mark किया as equation 1 and 2. But directly अपने को मिलेगा नहीं आंसर. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया? इक्वेशंस को प्यार भरी नजरों से देखा. प्यार भरी नजरों से देखने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि इसमें तो छुपा हुआ 1 upon x और छुपा हुआ 1 upon y है. तो क्यों ना थोड़ा तूफानी कर लिया जाए. तो हमने उनको क्या किया? a और b assume कर लिया. Once I assumed is that a and b, I get my normal equations in the general form. So once I get it in the general form, I will use normal substitution या तो elimination method, and then I get value of a and b. But since we are not interested in value of a and b, and we are interested in value of x and y, we are going to resubstitute the values of a and b. Once we resubstitute the values of a and b, we are definitely going to get answers for x and y. समझा? थोड़ा समझा रहेगा. Let us take one more question. That is question number 2. Question number 1 हो गया. Let us take question number 2 and 3, 4. I will record in the next session. But see to it that you are trying if you try, it would be more helpful. If you don't try, it would be just a monotonous thing for you कि video देखो समझा तो ठीक है वरना रट्टा मारो, and that is not the case in maths. Okay, so mathematics is a very applied subject, especially when I talk about paper one. Paper is going to be very easy provided you practice it daily. But I can assure you one thing: if you don't practice paper one daily, you are definitely going to find it difficult. Okay, shall I go with the next question? Okay. Now I will require your help in this question. So the question is again very easy, and I have confidence on my students that they are definitely going to solve it. Okay. Let us write the equation. क्या दिया है आपने को? Let me not use some pinky ponky. Let me use some white color now. Second question. क्या बोला आपने को? That 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Let this be my equation number 1. And what is one more equation they have given me, that is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let this be my equation number 2. Okay. Any questions till now? Now what is the next step we are going to do? We are going to substitute x plus y as e and x minus y as b. Now I am not separating and showing you. ठीक है? It is understood कि अभी तुमको थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है. ठीक है? नहीं आ रहा है तो no issue. I am definitely going very slow. देखोगे तो समझ आ जाएगा. But see to it that you all are solving along with me. Substituting 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Try to avoid using the short forms. And का short form भी avoid करो use करना. Right, full form a and b. ठीक है? Shall I go ahead? तो ये substitute करने के बाद मेरा equation क्या बन जाएगा? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, and this will be my equation number 3. Oh no, I forgot what was our second, मतलब last equation क्या था? 15a minus 5b हो जाएगा. 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. My dear बच्चा लोग, do not forget the sign of minus. So here ये आ जाएगा equation number 4, isn't it? Now multiply equation 3 by 5. Multiply equation 3 by 5. Why we are multiplying equation 3 by 5? So that here I get 15a. So multiply equation 3 by 5. तो मुझे इधर क्या मिल जाएगा? Once I multiply equation 3 by 5, I will get 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. If you are not understanding, please do let me know. I will go slow. 50a plus 10b is equal to 20 किधर से आया? सर हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया इक्वेशन 3 को 5 से. क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया भाई? सो दैट हम लोग यहाँ एड सब्ट्रैक्ट कुछ कर पाए और अपने को ए बी का वैल्यू मिले. अच्छा, बट इज इट सेटिस्फैक्टरी? 10 into 5 तो 50 आ गया, एंड फोर्थ इक्वेशन में तो 50 किधर भी है ही नहीं सर, एंड 10 भी नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे? कुछ नहीं करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 4 by 2. सिंपल. तो मल्टीप्लाई equation 4 by 2. Why I am multiplying 4 by 2? So that here I would get 10. ये देखो प्लस माइनस साइन है, ऐड करके काम खत्म करना है, इसलिए वी आर डूइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन का स्टेप. तो 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Guys, माइनस साइन आ जाएगा तो डरना नहीं. ठीक है? Let's go ahead. Now we need to add equation number 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and 6. I'm trying to fit entire thing in one page so that it's easy for you to go through. 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. Let this particular be my equation number 5. Hey, हाँ मतलब ये तो 5 था. So sorry, even I am thinking what I am doing. So next क्या आ जाएगा? 50a plus 10b is equal to 5 हो गया. Next 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. This would be sign of addition here. ये कट हो जाएगा. ये हो जाएगा 80a is equal to 20 minus 4 16. Therefore a क्या आ जाएगा? 16 upon 80 which is equal to 1 by 5. ठीक है? Therefore substitute, इधर ही लिखता हूँ, substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 in any of the equation you like. I will substitute in equation number 3. ठीक है? So what is our equation number 3, guys? Equation number 3 is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So let's just substitute 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. Therefore 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. 2b is equal to 2. b is equal to 1. Finally, we got value of a and we got value of b. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Now we are going to perform our favorite step, that is of resubstitution. Substitute for value of a and b. Yeah, resubstituting values of a and b, keep it simple and crisp. ये आ जाएगा 1 upon x plus y which is equal to 1 by 5. ठीक है? And talking about b is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Sorry, 1 upon x minus y which is equal to 1. Okay, समझा इधर तक? Shall I go ahead? Hey, got it or not, or are you still confused? अच्छा, now if you pay attention, मतलब अगर थोड़ा ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो देयर इज सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच आर देयर टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड हियर. अभी ये इधर क्या रहेगा बताइए? इफ यू जस्ट इन्वर्ट इट बाय इन्वर्टेंडो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, हम लोग ने क्या कर दिया? उल्टा कर दिया. तो x प्लस वाई 5 आया, लेट इट बी माय इक्वेशन नंबर 7. एंड इधर मैं उल्टा करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 1. isn't it? This is my equation number 8. okay, तो इक्वेशन 7 and 8 मिला मुझे पक्का. आई गॉट इक्वेशन नंबर 7 and 8. हाँ, बट अपने को इंटरेस्ट तो एक्स और वाई में था, एक्स और वाई तो डायरेक्ट मिला ही नहीं. अभी अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी हम लोग ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे. इधर माइनस वाई है, इधर प्लस वाई है, तो सिंपल एडिंग इक्वेशन 7 and 8. Now we need to add equation 7 as well as equation number 8. तो मुझे इधर क्या मिल जाएगा? Yes guys, what I will get here? Shall I add and show you all? I thought you all can do it directly, but we don't want to take risk, so we will just solve it here. ये गया 2x is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6 guys. X is equal to 6 by 2. X is equal to 3. Isn't it? So sorry for the handwriting, but natural कि जो स्पीड में बोल रहे उसी स्पीड में लिखना पड़ता है to maintain the link. Now again we will be performing substitution. So substituting x is equal to 3 in equation number 7. You can substitute in 7, 8 इसमें भी करो, तुम्हारे ऊपर है, but this is quite easier. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 2. Finally I got value of x, I got value of y. ठीक है? So क्या था x and y का value? Therefore x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2 is the solution. And we complete our question. So nearly it takes 10 to 15 minutes for one question. It's just in the starting में इतना टाइम जाएगा, 15 मिनट 15-20 मिनट जाएगा starting में एक क्वेश्चन को. Later on एक बार हाथ बैठ जाएगा तो it would be easier for you. You can complete in 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes में हो जाएगा. ठीक है? That's all from my side today. So we have completed second question as well. Third question, fourth question I am keeping up to you. मतलब definitely next lecture में I am going to solve it for you. Don't worry. सिर्फ इतना बता देता हूँ. Let me give you some hint. इधर 1 upon x minus 2 को a लेंगे और 1 upon y plus 3 को b लेंगे. Now just using that hint, try to solve it. And in the fourth question में next lecture में करवा लूंगा. That is pure sure. Don't worry. So just try question number 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 खुद ट्राई करो, नहीं आएगा तो आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तो मैं ही करवा दूंगा, इट इज एन खोपड़ी क्वेश्चन, खोपड़ी मतलब कि इंपॉर्टेंट है, अच्छा है। मतलब कैलकुलेशन पार्ट थोड़ा सा है, वी नीड टू थिंक अपॉन इट, और कुछ नहीं, ठीक है। सो मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर with the following questions and ठीक है, I'll just stop the screen sharing and you all can follow me on Instagram. My ID is learnwith.dpsir. Okay, I will definitely put it in the description. You can follow me on Insta, Facebook, and stay connected. Stay tuned for further lectures. And yes, bye bye.